And now I will show you how I put the pendant together. I'll make a little hole here. And I use, I think this is 4mm sterling silver finding. So here is too small. I'll go there, hold it and open it up. Now push it through. So I normally open, if I put a pendant, I'll open it with my right hand and then clip it. So I turn this around and put it like that so it faces the right direction. If someone is left-handed, they'll have to do it the other way around. So then I close the jump ring. And again, I want to close it nice and tight. So people need to be gentle with this pendant, because anything, if it's pulled, it will come off. So when I do this, I try and move this on the side, and I'm using 925 sterling silver. This is 18 inches chain. And look how gorgeous this looks. So what I'll do, I can add it. Normally we sell them individually, as some people may want either one or the other, but they're welcome to have two. They're welcome to have as a set. So this is what we'll do. So this is a complete set of, just put it like that, of pendant and earring pansies. How gorgeous is that? And then we close the box, and it is a must to put your branding. And this is the complete tutorial how to make and how to assemble them. I hope you enjoyed that. Please share, like, comment.